Howdy folks, this is Colin from American Marine and Motorsports in Shawano, Wisconsin. Today I want to show you the Starcraft 57 Ski Champ Remaster. This was a boat that Starcraft had originally made in 1957. It was one of their first real leisure boats, and they have brought it back in 2025, bringing back their retired turquoise color, which is going away again. This particular boat, it is a tribute to the golden era of boating, and it is modeled after the 1956 Chevy. As you can see, it has the signature rear tail fins, and it's got a really slick turquoise color that I mentioned is retired, but we can see that the trailer and the motor are custom painted to match that color. Right, so this boat, it is paired with a 25 horsepower Mercury motor. It is 4-stroke. Still has that vintage retro look with the custom decals. Same with the Starcraft logo on the boat. But you get that old school look with modern advantage, being a 4-stroke electric fuel injection. So on the outside, we got this mahogany trim, which is also featured on the inside of the boat. The backrests are all mahogany, along with the trim on the inside of the boat. And it's got marine mats that are mold resistant. They are matched in shade to the trim and the backrest of this boat. But you really get a simple design here. It's not too technical. It's just a simple steering wheel with your throttle. So nothing too fancy. Keeps that old retro look and feel to the boat with that vintage full windshield on the front. So here we got the trailer that is custom fitted to this boat. It still has the modern foldable tongue, but yet still got those retro looks like with our hubcaps here. So still custom painted to match the boat, but very practical with boat buckles in the back to secure your boat down. So as mentioned earlier, the Ski Champ Remaster, it is a tribute to the golden era of boating when leisure boating first became a real big thing. This boat's not going to win any speed records, but it can still get pretty quick, topping out at about 30 miles an hour. So it is still pretty practical for today's world, and it is a real head turner at the launch. If this boat does interest you, make sure to reach out to Colin at American Marine and Motorsports.